What's up guys, welcome back to GILL'S Garage. Today all I'm doing is throwing this tailgate back in my 1974 F250. It was a huge pain in the butt to remove, and I'm just going to show you a few things that I did to make it a little bit easier to take off and put back on. So without wasting any time, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So the reason that these tailgates are so hard to take off is because you can't just pull them off whenever you get them at the right angle. There's actually 2 bolts on this hinge and 2 bolts on this hinge. And there's a few people that said that you had to remove both sets of bolts to get the tailgate off and take both hinges off, but I was able to just take off this hinge and get the tailgate to pull out the right way. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again for you guys and show you something that might make it a little bit easier and just save you a lot of time in general. I'm going to go ahead start off by removing these bolts. A little rusty. And then we're going to put this hinge on that side of the tailgate once we get everything lined up, and it should make it a lot easier to install and remove. Dandy. Alright, so now getting these rods back on here, you just have to make sure it's up like that, and then you just have to get it at the right angle and it slides down pretty easily. But I gotta go ahead and do the other side also, so I'll leave that side up, then come over here and essentially just do the same thing. And then you slide them both down together, push them in, and just like that, they're there. Alright guys, now that I got the tailgate installed, I'm having problems getting these latches to close correctly, so we're going to mess with that a little bit and see exactly what we have to do to get this tailgate to open and close the way that it was originally designed to. Alright, for starters, this little latch, there it is. This little latch right here needs to get put up in that small metal hole that you can see, barely. So I just stopped by good old O'Reilly's and got this Dorman latch thing kit. Hopefully, there we go. Hopefully I can get this thing to work, but it's just has multiple different rod clips and hopefully one of them fits. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to be taking this side out so I can go ahead and fix the hinge clip that's busted, and it's just too hard. I can't get my hands in there. So first thing you got to do is you got to pull the rod off of this and then take these 3 bolts out, and this whole thing should just slide right out. I think we're going to throw some WD-40 on it while it's out. Alrighty, while I have this whole thing out, I'm just going to throw some WD-40 on these things. Just, you know, hoping that it might do something. It might not, but WD-40 is supposed to fix everything. I'd say that's enough. I want to go ahead and remove the lever just to make it a little bit easier. So it's pretty easy. It's just these 3 bolts. Pull these out. Yeah, pretty easy, like I said. So, we already got those out. I'm going to go ahead and pull the latch out on that side just to make sure everything is looking good. Alright, I changed my mind a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and replace this latch pin, or latch thing also, just because it's old. And I don't trust old things because most of the time they break. So, we're just going to slide these in and then manhandle these onto here. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. So, one done, then we're going to do this one real quick. There we go. It'd be nice if that actually fixes my problems. Might not, but we'll see. Alright, we're going to go ahead and hook these up. Hopefully it's easy. More than likely it won't be, but you can at least hope it would be easy. So the way it works is, yeah, like that, kind of. So we're going to go ahead and pop this one in here, and slide that up there a little bit. Yeah, and then pop that next one into there, and then we're just gonna tighten down the tailgate latch and hopefully it works. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully there was something in there that might help you out a little bit. Please make sure to smash that like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So without wasting any more of your guys' time, I hope you have a wonderful day.